Alright, so today I will just be doing something real quick. We'll be learning how to host your GitHub repositories as websites. How to host your GitHub repositories as websites, and just not to waste any much more of our time. So I'm actually not at or in a very conducive area, but let's just jump right in. So I'll be using one of my demo repositories. So we're using one of my demo repository. Then guys, okay. So we're going to be using the quiz app repository. We're going to use the quiz app repository, and then yeah, that's it. So let's go to the quiz app repository. Okay, so now we are in, and then as you can see, we have some files here, and then we have a readme pack here also. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, blah blah blah. That's not what we're looking for. So sorry, pardon me. So now the next thing we're doing from here is, let me sign in. Alright, so we are in, and then I've gotten access to the settings button. So what I want to do now is click on settings. Alright, so now that I'm at this end of the page, the repository, so I'm going downward here to pages. Okay, so now right here, what I'm going to do is under this branch right here, so under this branch right here, so I'm going to select the branch that I actually want to deploy. So I'm deploying the main branch. And then the next thing, I'm clicking save. Okay, so no, I don't have to click on this. So once I've clicked on save, so I'm just going to wait for a few seconds or sometimes minutes, then GitHub will give me a link that I can actually use to access my repository. So it's supposed to create it somewhere around here and then say visit site or visit link. So I'm just going to keep refreshing until we see something around here. Okay, so here we go. So we have it right here now, so I can just visit site, and then that's it. You're welcome. So let's just test something out. What does HTML stand for? Hypertext markup language, right? Which tag? Hyperlink. What is the purpose of the ALT attributing images? And there you go. Congratulations, you're eligible for a reward, your WhatsApp number and your bank account number. So submit, start quiz, CSS. Do something wrong here. Let's pick something wrong. It's called 2 out of 3. Bro, keep quiet. Same thing here. So admin panel, second panel. Okay. Alright, so that's it, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.